Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Checkmk agent for performance auditing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Checkmk agent for performance auditing, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Checkmk website URL. Once on the home page, navigate to the download section. Here, you will find a variety of Checkmk versions available for download. Choose the version that best suits your operating system. For Windows users, click on the appropriate link for the Windows installer. For Linux users, select the relevant package based on your distribution. After selecting the version, the download will begin automatically. If prompted, choose a destination folder for your downloaded file. After the download is complete, locate the installer in your designated folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. If you are using Windows, you might encounter a security warning. Click Run to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For Linux users, open a terminal window after downloading the package. Navigate to the directory where the package is located. Use the command line to install the agent by typing the appropriate installation command. Once the installation is finished, configure the agent according to your network and performance needs. After configuration, start the Checkmk agent service to begin monitoring. Confirm the agent is running by checking the service status. Now your Checkmk agent is ready for performance auditing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.